You, yes, you. If you are watching this, it means you want to animate but don't know where to start. What if I told you this Rico animation was made in FlipaClip with free images on a mobile phone? If you love animation or you want to learn it, I drop free tutorials every week. Follow and subscribe so you don't miss out. Alright, let me show you how I made this Rico cartoons animation. So go to Play Store and download FlipaClip. Then click on that plus icon in order for you to create a new project. So I will name the project Rico Exaggeration. Okay, then I'm going to click on done. Then I have to import a background. Okay, so I will click on that icon over there to import a background. So this is just a simple Rico background that I just designed. So I will click on it, and then from the top I'll mark it in order to import it into FlipaClip. Then let us set up the canvas size. Okay, so this video is for YouTube, so I'll click on that canvas size, and then I'm going to set the canvas size to YouTube 1080p because that is the normal landscape video for YouTube. Then click on that arrow over there to go back. Then at this point we are going to start up the project. Okay, so click on create project in order to start up your project. Now the next thing is you see that three dots at the top right corner of the screen, so tap on that three dots and then we are going to import our Rico character images. So click on add image in order for you to import your character into FlipaClip. So I will select my character image, so that way I can import it into FlipaClip. Then click on that lasso tool over there in order for you to scale this character up, because I want this character to fill up the screen. Okay, I need to stage this character to be on the screen, because in animation you need to stage your character properly so that the audience can easily see your character without confusing them. Alright, as you can see, I have already imported the Rico character into FlipaClip. I actually created this character using a free app called Rico Cartoons app. If you want this exact character, you can download it on my Patreon. And if you want the free app I use plus the complete Rico character animation pack, just comment I'm interested, okay, and I will send you the link directly, or you can join my Patreon. Okay, use the link in the description of this video to join my Patreon membership. So once you join, you will get access to download all my Rico cartoons animation assets, okay, including the app and the project file of this character, and it will help you to create animation video faster. So I need to do some ease in and ease out, okay, because in animation you have to slow down the movement in the beginning, okay, so that the movement starts slow and then become fast. So click on that plus icon, then change your own to clone last frame. So that way we are going to clone the last frame, the frame on frame 1, we are going to clone it to frame 2, okay, because of I will do up to 3, so that I will do the ease in. So this is just the ease in I just did now. Okay, I just did 1 times 3 frame per second. Okay, so whenever you are animating, always do ease in and ease out before you do your exaggeration. So in my next pose now, my next pose is going to be the actual exaggeration. Okay, so that by the time the video started with the character looking at the screen, then all of a sudden it now posed to exaggeration. So I'm going to click on that plus icon and hold it. Then this time around, select the first one, the add new frame, so that we can add a new pose. Okay, then I'll click on that 3 dots at the top in order for me to add the main exaggeration poses. Okay, because in animation you need to time everything and control the speed and the emotion. Okay, then click on add image. So I'm going to add the second image that we're going to use, and this is the actual exaggeration pose. As you can see, you see that this particular character design now, it is beyond real life. Like they make it to be funny and more alive. Okay, so once you add that your exaggeration pose, you need to make sure that you stage the leg. Okay, stage the leg so that everything will be on the same ground. Very, very important. Okay, you need to stage your character each time you are doing exaggeration. Okay, so just make sure that the leg, okay, they stand on the same position. Okay, that is the key. So in animation, if you are using a real movement, it looks boring sometimes. Okay, that's why most time you exaggerate to make your audience feel the action. Okay, so maybe this character saw something and he's surprised and he's shouting. Okay, so whenever you are designing a character, add exaggeration pose to your character. Okay, at least you can see the way this exaggeration pose is looking. So this pose alone make this animation come to life, and there is no way somebody will watch this video and say that this video is boring because of you added exaggeration. So it is very, very important for your animation project, create exaggeration poses for your character. Very, very important. If you really want to learn animation deeply, I teach this step by step in my animation class. If your goal is to master animation movement, create your own cartoon characters and add professional actions and exaggeration, then I highly recommend you join my 2D and 3D animation class. Inside the class, I teach privately and guide you on how to create cartoon characters and the full animation videos using your smartphone or your laptop, plus how to monetize your animation content. If you want to join, use the link in the description to enter my WhatsApp channel and then contact me about the animation class, or simply comment I'm interested and I will send you the link directly to you. Before we move to the next step, if this is helping you understand animation better, like this video and subscribe for more FlipaClip and animation tutorials. I post new lessons every week. Now let's keep going. As you can see, in this tutorial, we are not just learning animation, we are learning the core animation principle that professionals use. Okay, so we focus on exaggeration, timing, and then the follow-through animation. So we are going to do some follow through to this hand. So I selected that hand, then with my lasso tool, I'm going to do some hand movements. Okay, this is a way we would add follow through, because as your character moves, you need to add a follow through and overlapping actions. Okay, so this hand in particular, you know, at different time as he's shouting, there should be a hand movement. Okay, so that this will remove stiffness and make your animation come to life the more. Okay, so I will do the same thing to the other hand. I'm going to use my lasso tool to select the other hand and then adjust it, add a follow through and overlapping actions to it. So these are also animation principles that you need to master if you want to create professional animations like Rico. So once you select the hand, then you can use that dot at the top to rotate it. Okay, let me select it again, because the one I selected could not capture the thing properly. So I'm going to select the hand again. So I will slowly select this part. Okay, I will slowly select all these parts. Okay, so hold on, let me do it one more time. So I'm going to zoom in and then let me make it easy for me. So I'm going to select it gradually. Now I've already picked up all these parts, so I'm going to zoom out now, and also see that dot at the top of the box. You can use that dot to rotate the hand. So this is a follow through that I just added, because the hands, as the body move, the hand's supposed to continue to swing a little bit. You see, so you see those tiny parts. I'm going to select them with my lasso tool and then pull them into the black spot. And also this last one also, I'm going to select it, and then once I select it, I'm going to move it across that tiny line. I'm going to select that tiny line and then move it inside this place. Okay, so that even if you see it, you'll not even know that I did something like this there. Okay, so you can rotate it in. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to rotate it. Okay, then I'll push it inside to fill up that place. So I'm going to push it to fill up that hole. You see, very easy. Animation is very easy. Once you understand the core principles of animation, you are good to go. Once you understand the core principles, and you know when to apply exaggeration, when to apply follow through, like we just did now, because as you exaggerate, your hand should also add to the exaggeration. So all these things is the way you make your animations come to life. So when you finish doing this follow through, you just click on that plus icon. So this time around, just clone the thing 3 times. So guys, once you are done with this one, we are almost done. Okay, so we are done now. Okay, so we did 1 by 3. Cool. So we are animating on 3s. Every 3 frame we add a new pose. Every 3 frames we add a new pose. So that is also very good for beginners. You see, guys, you see the animation, very easy. So we are done with the animation now. Okay, then just click on that 3 dot at the top. Then you can now tell FlipaClip how long do you want this animation to last. So to do that, go to frame viewers. So in here you can now make like duplicate these frames to reach the number of times you want the animation to last. So copy all of them by selecting all. Then you see this tool here to copy the frames, and then you can now paste the frames at once. So the more you paste the frame, the longer the duration of your animation. The more you add new frames, the longer the animation will play. Okay, so I'll add enough frames till I'm satisfied. Then when I'm done, then click on that X button over there, and then click on that arrow button over there for you to go back to your main project. So guys, we are done now. So if you have a music, you can add a music or a audio. Okay, but the video is already getting too long, so I don't want the video to be too long. So I will click on that 3 dots over there for me to export my video. So now at this point, we are going to click on make movie in order for us to export the video. Okay, so I will click on make movie, then check everything if it's okay the way you want. As you can see, my FlipaClip is a premium version, so those that join my animation class will get this app from me for free for their phone animation. So click on make movie in order to export your video. So once the video finish exporting now, then you can now share your videos to your social media platforms. Okay, and one thing with animation, once you do your animation properly, animation content gets viral easily. So guys, let us play the video and see. Very easy, guys. So that is how you add exaggeration to your character. Okay, you can also join my Patreon membership, where you'll get access to all my 2D Rico cartoons animation assets, which include this Rico character project file, the Rico character app, and other 2D characters, background, and objects for creating animation videos. Okay, if you want to level up your animation skills, I highly recommend you join my 2D and 3D animation class. You will get one-on-one mentorship, step-by-step detailed tutorial how to create cartoon characters and animations on your smartphone or laptop, how to monetize your content, and even gain job opportunity with animation studios. To join, use the link in the description of this video to enter my WhatsApp channel and then contact me directly. Okay, to continue learning about Rico Animations, I have created over 30 full tutorials in a playlist. The link is in the description. Check it out. The last video I posted, you continue to improve your animation skills, okay, and make you learn Rico animation faster, smoothly. Okay, then before you go, like this video, follow this page, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video for more animation tutorial, and I want to hear from you. What topic should I teach in my next tutorial? Comment below. Okay, now click the Rico animation tutorial playlist in the description and keep watching. Let's keep bringing these characters to life together.